Okay, I'm going to show how to take this soap pump apart and put it back together. Sometimes the tops will pop off. They're just pressure fitted on there. There's a little ridge. It kind of clicks into a groove in there. So you just press it down and you'll hear a click, and then the top is back on again. Take it off again. Sometimes the bottom will come out. This will come out because it's packed too tight. When you take it off, you can see it's just pressure fitted in there. It pressure fits into the little piece that's in the center there. They form like a sandwich around the around this part here. So if the bottom falls out, it's pressure packed too tight. There's a spring in there and a glass ball. Glass ball goes first, then the spring, and then this piece goes in. The shaft goes into that little white plastic thing, and then this goes in like this. And then that white ring has to be pressed down somehow. So use a little piece of pipe and you can press it down like that. Maybe a little piece of wood on top or something to give you some leverage. And there, press it down, it'll click, and then it's back together again. See, this is down. Pop the top back on. You're good to go again. All back together again. So pretty simple. Only thing you probably need is a little piece of pipe or something that you can press that little piece down in the center.